everything record. But only 15 left. Just right target. Let's see. New project. No need and my date. Date. Replace this one because already you must be time zone +1.
It is +1.
Time zone. Make it remember +1. Okay. After that, you must check ellipse WJ34 1984. Projection. Reverse indicator. 37 this one. Everything is this one. Already you got it. Okay.
Default.
Yeah. Here is no. Okay. The now import. Select. Where is this? For example, file target. This all GNS files. This is file target. Then you go here, observation. Right click, enter, edit. And I make like that small always and just loaded. And he always give you protocol. This protocol. Okay. You print it. I just show you like that.
So this is the protocol. The time like this. The height.
Yes, you must. This is 847. You check. Which is 847. Which time? 95.
Serial number.
Yeah, serial number. Point is right click here. Point number. ER.
Number of this observation.
Yeah, ER 904. No, control point number. Control point name. Here, antenna. This
the one they observed, no?
Antenna height 904 1.21. No need to change. Then see next, which is 10.6, 10.57, 10.6, 10.57. This one 847 904. Okay, here. ER 904. This control point name 904 1.216. That's next is 1111 and near to this one 847 907. 907 1.0. So that's antenna height. Let's see. 1220 one. Yeah,
Control point.
ER control point name. Na.
They are the one putting this.
Yeah, that's also. I see the time. Yeah, 12, 19, 117. This one, this point number 910.
This is your reference here, the time.
Yeah, that's the reference time. 910, 1.19. 728. This is other protocol. This is 9. This 2 is not this protocol, have other protocol. This guy. See? Now which we have 904 everything. Only then you export. See, that's the next file. Okay.
What data?
Let's come no data. Okay, copy and save as well. Which you make all run Excel. Just put this folder. Okay.